Hi, this is Timothy Schutte with Exit Realty Capital City and the Timothy Schutte Real Estate Team. Welcome back to my video blog. So today we're talking about how to get the best bang for your buck on preparing your home for sale. And this can be minor to maybe a little more major remodel. One example I have is a property we are listing that the market analysis said we could probably go anywhere between $225 and $250 depending on condition. And if it had new kitchen and bathroom, potentially up to $265. What my seller situation was that he wanted to get his property moved sooner than later. So with that, what did we do? We had the trees trimmed and painted the interior and fixed some cosmetic drywall marks in there. We were going to list for $235, kind of right in the middle, and go for a quicker sale. If he wanted to, he probably could have gone through and done the kitchen and the bathroom and list closer to $260, $265. Would that have been worth it? It depends on what you're going to spend on it. But typically what I'm looking at for this 1,100 square foot home is that you can get that project done for $10,000 to $14,000. Is that optimistic? You might think so. It's just a question of the quality of cabinets and countertops you put in. Is the dollar for dollar back though? So I always say don't spend good money after bad money. Dollar for dollar, I like to keep you as the seller from spending that money if you're not going to get it back, or if it's going to take longer to time on market. And so paint and paint and flooring is always a good item to do if your flooring is old or if your paint doesn't look fresh. They're also, I would say, cheap enough that you're typically going to get that valuation back. After that, it's a question of what's not been touched or needs attention to see if it's worth doing. With that said, here at Exit Realty, we have done it before, and we're willing to do it again with you as a client to help you through that remodel process, tell you what we would do, work with even our contractors, potentially even help finance that if the margins are there. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. This is Timothy Schutte with Exit Realty Capital City and the Timothy Schutte Real Estate Team.